Why would you want to adopt NFPA 70B as a basis for your electrical maintenance program and planning? Well, a proper EMP is going to be scalable. The foundation is going to be something you can build on so that you can scale up and expand your operations and your maintenance activities. And when we follow a proper EMP, we're going to increase system uptime. We're going to ensure that equipment lasts as long as it can in its proper operating condition. This reduces overall costs. It protects people and it protects companies and investments in these systems. What we're trying to do here is minimize the total operating cost of an electrical system over its lifetime, and that becomes a combination of two factors. If we look at our graph on the right-hand side here, we get our minimum cost when we have the low combination of the lowest EPM cost plus the cost of equipment repair and replacement. That's going to give us our safest, most effectively operating system over time. We don't want to overspend, and we'll get into these details throughout the course. What activities we do. Obviously, there's the gold, silver, bronze approach. What kind of level of maintenance we're doing. Can we do everything? Sure, we could. Can we afford to do everything? Probably not. That's not going to be in the budget. There's different levels that are going to be applied here, and balancing that out is what leads to an efficient and effective EMP.